Hi, I'm Ashley. Welcome to Slowdown Sunshine. So this is gonna wrap up my journey in attempts to find clothes that I like. So I'm a single mom, solo parent of my daughter, 4 years old, and we travel full time in our camper van. So we're limited on space, and I've been rocking the black leggings with pockets and t-shirts, sweatshirts and stuff for a couple of years now. That was a time in my life, and it still is, of simplicity, of needing that space to just like, you know, I've got 5 pairs of the same pants. I just grab one and put them on, and then I grab a shirt, short sleeve or long sleeve or heavier, and I just go. I don't spend that time and energy figuring out what I want to wear, who I'm gonna be today, and that kind of stuff, right? And now I'm wanting to have that creative outlet, have that artistic outlet of my personality, to have items that I love, at least some items that I just love. I love putting on this sweater. I love putting on whatever it is. So I've been searching for these pieces. And while I've been visiting family here and I had an address to send things to, I tried out some boxes. And I did StitchFix, Nadine West, and I did Wantable. And if you're wanting to try out any and all of these, the links are all below. I think we both get, you know, something 25 bucks here for me, 25 bucks there for you. I'm not sure how it all works, but if you're interested in any of the links, they're all below. And there's so many more boxes out there. I was tempted to just keep rolling, but I was like, well, let's just do 3. But now, what did I keep? What did I keep, and what did I learn, and what am I taking away from all of that? The one thing that I kept are these jeans from the StitchFix box. And these are the pants. I'm pretty happy with them. I wore them for the whole trip to Chattanooga with family. They fit well. They cost more than I would have normally paid for a pair of pants, but I now know that I really like this brand, Liverpool. I now know solidly what size I am. I am a size 10, which is fantastic because I feel like 2 years ago I was a size 16, so that's amazing. However, I didn't really get what I was trying to get. You'd notice in the Wantable box and in the StitchFix box, there was a like long cardigan that I really liked. I wasn't anticipating actually liking this. I do like this color. It's a pretty nice color. And in retrospect, I kind of wish I had kept the StitchFix cardigan because I really liked that color of purple. It matches my hypnotherapy business brand colors, so it looked good in the pictures and stuff for that. It was really comfy and it was really soft and a really good quality material. And my thought was, that's not that special. I can find that anywhere. TJ Maxx or Kohl's or Walmart or wherever. I've now looked in both TJ Maxx and Kohl's and haven't found something like that. Yesterday I went to Kohl's and I ended up getting a bunch of stuff there. Most of it t-shirts. Got ones that have like sparklies on them. Boom. Such is the life of minimal living, minimal possessions, minimalism, intentional living, living in a van, tiny living, like not having a lot of space. I am still on the hunt for the perfect cardigan because I could go over any of these things and transform that into an outfit. Anyway, so that's how this all played out. I'll keep an eye out for like those perfect items that I really do love. So a review of the 3 boxes. I really liked Wantable because you got 7 items. There were 7 items, so it was the most items of any of the other boxes. And I felt like they asked a lot of questions. It really was more tailored to me because they asked so many questions. Rosie's in a box right there. Nadine West was just like, as soon as I opened the package, I was like, no, nope, nothing there. Stitch Fix, you know, now having said that I would have kept that purple cardigan, I kept the pants and I would have kept the purple cardigan. So I guess that's really the winner because I would have kept 2 of the items. This concludes my single mom, solo parenting, tiny living, full-time travel, trying to find a capsule wardrobe that exudes my personality saga that has been this week. Thank you guys for watching, and let me know your comments if you've ever tried out any of these boxes that you absolutely loved and any of your favorite stores or anything like that, because I don't even know where to go anymore. So just let me know, and thank you for watching, and subscribe if you haven't already for more travel and van life and fun, intentional living type of stuff. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Hugs and kisses.
It's like we're running in circles, going around every day.